Hi kids, welcome back. So today I'm here and today I have brought a new concept and the concept is adverbs. Chapter number 14 in English grammar, adverbs. And this is the very important part and you have to listen to me very carefully today, okay? So today I will explain you the whole chapter. I will explain you the adverbs in detail, kinds of adverb and the definition of adverb. Okay. So first of all, I am going to start adverb. First of all, what is an adverb? Now I am going to explain an adverb is a word that tells something more about word. Okay. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. And an adverb tells how, where or when an action happens. Like the first sentence is the car is running fast. The car is running fast. So fast, this word fast describes the action word running. The car is running, but how? Very fast. They are talking softly. So softly describes the action word talking. And how they are talking? Softly. How they are talking? Softly. The baby is crying loudly. So loudly describes the action word crying. So the words fast, softly. The car is running. The car is running fast. They are talking but softly. They are talking softly. The words fast, softly, loudly tell us more about the verb is running, are talking and is crying. So these three words tell us more about the verbs running, talking and crying. The baby is crying but loudly. They are talking but softly. So they tell us how the car is running fast. How they are talking softly. How the baby is crying loudly. The words fast, softly and loudly are called adverbs. These adverbs tell us how an action is done. इन adverbs से क्या पता चलता है? How an action is done. Like daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, freely, near, soon, etc. are adverbs. An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. Adverbs describes verbs. Now, this is the definition. Now, adverbs can be of various types. The first type of adverb is the adverb of manner. So, the adverb of manner answer the questions how or in what manner. Softly, is an adverb of manner. Now the second type of adverb is the adverb of place. So the adverb of place, there. Riya is playing there. So it is showing the place. The bird is flying above the trees. It is showing place. Now Preeti is waiting downstairs. So it is showing the place. The words there, above and downstairs tell us more about the verb is playing, is flying and is waiting. They tell us where is Riya playing, where the bird is flying, where is Preeti waiting. So the second type of adverb is the adverb of place. The adverb of place shows where the action is done. Where the action is done. It answers the question where. In, outside, there, here, above, far, everywhere, inside, up, upstairs, outside. These all are adverb of place. Now the third type of adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time. So the adverb of like Vikas is present in class today. The birds are flying now. Neeraj gets up early. So the words today, now and early tell us more about the verbs is present, are flying and gets up. They tell us when is Vikas present? Today. When are the birds flying? Now. When does Neeraj gets up? Early. So the third type of adverb is adverb of time. An adverb of time tells us about the time. वो हमें time बताता है. When an event takes place. It answers the questions when. I read the newspaper daily. So daily is an adverb of time. See you tomorrow. So tomorrow is an adverb of time. So the words today, new and early are adverbs. They tell us when the action has taken place. Like she woke up early. He will call soon. They will come late. So early, soon, late, tomorrow, tonight and now, yesterday, today. These all are adverbs of time. It shows when an action is done. So an adverb tells us more about a verb. It tells us how, it tells us where and it tells us when an action takes place. Got it? So again, an adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells how, where or when an action happens. So now I will be sending the assignment of the definition of adverb. So you have to complete it and the rest of the work we will do in the next class. Okay. So till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.